If you've completed or are currently studying either construction management or quantity surveying, you may have noticed that a lot of modules are identical. This tends to spark questions such as, do QSs and construction managers do the same thing? Or, could I jump from one role to another? And, I wonder if there's a difference in salary. In this video, we'll explain the roles and responsibilities of a QS and a construction manager, the differences in salary, and hopefully help you gain a better understanding of each role. Before we start, if you're enjoying these videos or have found them useful in any way, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon to get alerts when we upload new content every Wednesday. Also, this week's video has been requested by you guys. Steve Teddy and Kev Jr. both requested a video on construction managers. So, if you'd like us to cover any topics, please write in the comment section below. So, the best way to start this is by giving you a definition of the roles. A quantity surveyor is a professional within the construction industry concerned with cost, procurement, and contracts. To make it even more simple, the main reason a company would hire a quantity surveyor is to accurately manage the cost on a project. A construction manager, sometimes referred to as a project manager or site manager, is a professional within the construction industry concerned with program, safety, and planning. Simply put, a company would hire a construction manager to safely oversee a project, ensuring it's completed on time and on budget. So, here's the first difference. A QS is focused on the cost and value of a project, and a construction manager is focused on the program and safety of a project. Now you're probably wondering what a day in the life of a QS and construction manager is like also. A normal day for a quantity surveyor may include estimating or forecasting the cost of labour, plant, material required for a project, preparing tender documents, contracts, budgets, bill of quantities and other documentation, tracking changes to the design or method of working and adjusting budget projections accordingly, procuring or agreeing the services of contractors or subcontractors who work on the construction of a project, measuring and valuing the work completed on site, issuing payments to subcontractors, liaising with the client and other construction professionals such as site managers, project managers and site engineers, and selecting and sourcing construction materials. A normal day for a construction manager may include planning and coordinating a project from start to finish, including organising the schedule of work, hiring and managing staff for a project, managing the construction site on a day-to-day basis, including supervising the labour force, monitoring subcontractors, checking materials, inspecting work and overseeing quality control, ensuring the project is delivered on time and on budget by setting benchmarks, agreeing budgets and monitoring progress, checking design documents with architects, surveyors and engineers, promoting and maintaining health and safety, including site inspections to ensure safety rules are being followed, maintaining regular communication and attending meetings with clients and their representatives, communicating with any consultant, subcontractor, supervisor, planner, quantity surveyor and anyone else involved in the project, and also dealing with any unexpected problems that may occur on the project. Finally, we'll talk about salaries. The average salary for an experienced construction manager is £50,000, and the average salary for an experienced quantity surveyor is £40,000. As with all careers, there are roles above and below these positions, such as an assistant construction manager and an assistant QS at £32,000 and £28,000 respectively. Hopefully, this video has provided you with the information required to make a calculated decision in which career you'd like to pursue. But, if you have any questions, please let us know below. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.